Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we'll explore the importance of road traffic safety risk assessment and risk treatment as per ISO 39001 standards. ISO 39001 provides a framework for organizations to manage road traffic safety risks and improve overall safety performance. Let's delve into the key principles and processes involved in this critical aspect of road safety management. ISO 39001 is an international standard that outlines requirements for a road traffic safety management system, RTSMS. It aims to help organizations, including road authorities, transportation companies, and fleet operators reduce the risk of accidents, injuries, and fatalities on the road. Importance of road traffic safety risk assessment. Road traffic safety risk assessment is crucial for identifying potential hazards, assessing risks, and implementing measures to mitigate those risks. It helps organizations proactively address safety concerns and prevent accidents before they occur. Key steps in road traffic safety risk assessment. Hazard identification. Identify potential hazards that could contribute to road traffic accidents such as road conditions, vehicle factors, environmental factors, and human factors. Risk assessment. Assess the likelihood and severity of identified hazards to determine the level of risk associated with each hazard. This involves evaluating factors such as traffic volume, road geometry, weather conditions, and driver behavior. Risk prioritization. Prioritize risks based on their level of severity and likelihood of occurrence. Focus on addressing high priority risks that pose the greatest threat to road safety. Risk treatment. Develop and implement risk treatment measures to reduce the likelihood and severity of identified risks. This may include engineering controls, administrative controls, and behavioral interventions aimed at improving road safety. Monitoring and review. Continuous monitoring and review of road traffic safety risks are essential to ensure the effectiveness of risk treatment measures and identify emerging risks. Organizations should regularly assess the impact of implemented controls and adjust their strategies as needed to maintain road safety performance. Benefits of road traffic safety risk assessment. Implementing road traffic safety risk assessment and risk treatment based on ISO 39001 standards offers several benefits, including reduced incidence of road traffic accidents, injuries, and fatalities, improved road safety performance and reputation, compliance with legal and regulatory requirements related to road safety, enhanced stakeholder confidence and trust, cost saving associated with reduced accident-related expenses. In conclusion, road traffic safety risk assessment and risk treatment are essential components of effective road safety management as per ISO 39001 standards. By identifying hazards, assessing risks, and implementing appropriate controls, organizations can contribute to safer roads and communities. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like further information on road traffic safety risk assessment and ISO 39001, please feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.